we are going to see how to create. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today we are going to see how to create GCP Bucket using the Cloud Console. So it's an easy process. So here you can see this is I have selected my project. If you have not created a project, then create a project and enable the billing for that particular project. So for creating uh, the Cloud Bucket from the console, just select here from the Cloud Bucket. Okay. Here you can see the option for the create bucket. So just click on that. Okay. So here you can see or give here you can see the name of your bucket. So give the name of the bucket that you desired. Mm. So let's create sample bucket demo 101. Okay, click on continue. Once again, there are some restrictions in the naming convention, so you cannot so here you can see the naming guideline, so click on that. So like they are supporting only the dash, then underscore and the dots, and space is not allowed. So and the more thing is that if you want to use the dot, then you need some verification kind of thing. Then one more thing is that your the bucket name should start with the character or the number, and it should the length of its contained 3 to 63 character only. And if you have already used the dot, that means you need verification. And if you get that verification, then you can get the name. You can take the name up to 222 character. Okay, again, this is the bucket name cannot be represented as an IP address or the dotted format. Here you can see bucket name cannot begin with the Google prefix because they might have used this one. Bucket cannot contain the Google or the close misspelling such as Google. Okay, that policy, well, we cannot do it. Okay, so here we have created the sample bucket demo 101. Click on continue. Here you can see different locations or the regions. So it depend on you, like from where you want to store your bucket. Okay, so here I've used the multi regions. Can click on continue. Then you can see what to choose the default have the storage class of your data. So standard, nearline, cold line. Select the standard one. Here you can see the base for the short term storage and the frequently accessed data. We are not going to any deep. Click on continue. Now you can choose how to access your object. So it's uniform or it's a fine grained. Click on the uniform. Then there is one advanced setting that is encryptions. So you make it on the default one. Do not change anything. Then if you want to do the any labeling or etc., do not click on anything. Just click on the create one. It will take some time. And as you can see, the bucket is created. Here you can see the different configurations of your bucket, like when it was created, when it was updated, location type, region type, etc., etc. Here is the GSUT URI, that is Universe Resource Locator. Then the Cloud Console URL. Then here you can see the permissions. If you want to add different member, then you can add it here. Then retention policy. So retention is about all about like after any deletion or etc. How how long it will be in Google Cloud. Then the life cycle. So it's so in the life cycle, you can create some rules and etc. We are not going to deep in that. So for the upload any object, you can directly click on upload files. And if you want to complete the folder, then you can also use the upload folder. If you want to create the folder within your bucket, you can also do using the create folder using one upload folder. So I have, okay, just I'm putting here Upload started. So as you can see here, okay, so it seems like the one file is already uploaded. Just click on that. Okay, so this is its unique URL, and this is gsutil URL. So this is the way you can create the GCP bucket from the console UI. But for the if you want to access using the programmatic or some of the client library, you can also do that. In the next video, we will see how to create GCP bucket using Terraform and also from the command line, that is Google Cloud SDK. Thank you for watching this.